Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete all unread emails on Gmail. Friends, if you want to see, select and delete unread emails in your Gmail account, then you simply need to open Gmail app. In your Gmail app, you need to search for mails in which unsubscribed is written. Now it will show all the mails in which unsubscribed is written. Now to see all unread emails, you simply need to press on unread. Now it will show all the unread emails. Now to select all these emails, you simply need to select the first email, select the checkbox to select all. So friends, like this you can very easily select all unread emails in your Gmail account. Now if you want to delete all these selected emails, then you simply need to press on this delete icon. So friends, like this you can very easily select and delete all unread emails in your Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.